What's up? I just want to say a few things before this video was over. I got more videos coming. I got more travel videos and I got more filming videos. And if you like these kind of videos, just let me know by hitting the like button, sharing it, commenting. I'm also gonna go out and fly it and I'll record some of that, show some of the footage I get. But yeah, let me see. What else? Yeah, I've been trying to go get some more content. I got one more video coming up. I'll probably post this one before that other one. Another spot me and my friends went to. And I'm going to the beach soon. And then I'm going to California soon. So I'll have videos for all of those trips. And yeah, so just if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment, leave a like. You know what to do. All the YouTubers say, I know you know by now. But yeah, I hope you enjoy that unboxing. DJI drone. Yeah, peace out, deuces. I'm out of here.